Alright guys, so today I'm going to be doing another toy review, so yeah, so first I'm gonna, hold on. Okay, so I got these yesterday, and here is the first poster card thing for one of them. It's Jason. I don't know if you can see it back good. Okay, if you can, that's good. Sam, it's upside down. Okay. Oops. It's not showing that good, but to the toy review. So first we have will he even fit in the thing? So here we have Jason. Now he comes with a machete. It doesn't have any blood or anything on it as with most Jasons, but it's pretty good for a little figure. His mask doesn't come off, which is kind of okay. And he moves out his legs and his arms, obviously, and right here, in his other arm. And the only reason I have his machete in this hand is because in his right hand it doesn't really fit that good. It literally slips out every time I put it there. I mean, yeah, see? You can't get it in. So, to the next thing. Now I have a surprise mystery item, which I also got yesterday. Here's Sam. He is littler, so I can move him up quite more. But here he is compared to Jason. I'll move that up a little. So there he is compared to Jason. He arms up with Jason. He's about to his hip, and his arms move basically the same with Jason. Both arms move, hands and legs. I forgot to mention these guys' heads also move. Their heads move too. And Sam comes with his little little broken lollipop. It's a pumpkin lollipop. It's pretty good, I guess. Now you guys ready for the surprise mystery item? Okay. Here it is. Aliens. Okay. So I kind of am going to do this slowly. Now my sister has a few of these, but she gave them to me and they're somewhere out in my shed. Okay. Here we have the first one. Here he is. Oh, he fell. Here he is. Now this is why I'm on my counter. Here he is. Hold on. No, nothing. Okay, yeah, here he is. He's pretty cool. And, this is the gold color. And I'm going to set him here, and we will look at him later, in a minute. Okay, here's the other one. He's actually, can you see that? He looks pretty good. Like, well in there, kind of. But, no, they're easy to just take out, see? And the imprint of him being in there, so it's really soft. Before I get to him, the gooey slime thing, whatever it is, it's really fun.
reports on another alleged sexual attack on a woman in Provo tonight, sharing her story.
Yeah, and that was weird. And back to the aliens. So these aliens, sorry if you hear background noise. My sister with her friends, and they're squishy, and you can squeeze them, obviously. And they're cool. They're really cool. They're just cool. And they have, obviously, their arms. They're also kind of stretchy. So this one's silver and this one's gold. It kind of looks bad on this camera because it's my phone, and it looks pretty bad. So, yeah, there they are. Alright, that's all we have for the toy review today, guys. So, I know this is a longer video. Most of my videos are really short. Hold on. You guys will get to see me put them back in the slime. Because that's what I'm going to do. Put them back in, and then, yeah. And then we'll end the review. Okay. And then it's fun to kind of roll them into a ball. And, yeah. It's fun to just completely cover everything in slime. Every part of them, and just covered in slime. Okay. So, I'm gonna end the video here. Bye, guys.